Hello, I'm Ramsey McFarlane. I'm the CEO of Awen Oncology, a new oncology drug discovery company. We've recently established our operational base here at M-SParc. Our choice of basing our business in M-SParc was an easy one. The new labs in M-SParc have been designed to the highest specifications. For us, our core laboratory needs are crucial for success. But being an M-SParc goes beyond excellent infrastructure. The commercial ecosystem here is outstanding, with legal, accounting, marketing and IT expertise available here on site. There are also extensive business partnering opportunities. We've benefited from a direct investment grant from M-SParc and varied financial support, ranging from regional grants through to the M-SParc Skills Academy. The Skills Academy has enabled us to bring on board young scientists who can bring new vision to our business, and they themselves in turn gain experience in industry in a new business venture. Lastly, and importantly, there is a genuinely supportive culture within this site. For us, as a newly established technology-led business, building our new venture has been made much easier by being based here at M-SParc.